Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Yes, it's back. Well, very nearly. It's on its way back. Yeah. I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and this is the Enterprise D. On its way back to the bench very soon. So I thought I'd have a quick recap and a look at the parts so far. These are, I think, 78 issues. Not all here. There's the other bit that won't fit on the bench at the same time as this at the moment, but we'll see that in a moment. But this is it. Back from the very first Deflected Dish, which I think was the first issue, to nacelles and things. Look, somewhere there's a switch under the bottom here. It's about there somewhere. Yeah, I'll turn the lights off and show you the illumination properly in a moment. But yes, not attached as yet, but that's where it's going to go. And yeah, we've got all of this. We've got all of the whole neck bit, obviously again illuminated as it should be. All good stuff. And yeah, all stuff coming soon. Let me turn the lights off. I'll show you it illuminated properly, and then I'll bring out the bit you really want to see. Yeah, there we go. It's glowing. It's lovely. I did do some modifications to the nacelle lighting. You can see them in the playlist. I'm sure you know where to find all of that. But it still works. I haven't changed the batteries. I just turned it on and it works. So that's all good to go. We also have, obviously, the neck all illuminated with lights and navigation lights and things on there. As well as the, I think it's the impulse engines glowing at the back there. I've forgotten what all of everything it is. But yeah, that's that. So far, so good. I shall bring in the main event. Scary side first. Yeah, that's what the inside of the dish section looks like. As you can see, there are still several sockets to be filled. The lights for this, obviously, again, all work. There's a switch somewhere. There it is. Yeah, again, we've got the flashing navigation type things, bits that aren't fitted yet. The bit at the front is illuminated very slightly. There you go. Windows lighting up there, and obviously the other side. It's quite heavy, as you can imagine. There we have it. Yeah, lights on and everything. Side obviously complete, ready for the neck to get added into the back there. It's nice, it's impressive, it's lovely, and I am very, very happy to be starting this up again, hopefully in just a few short weeks. So stick around, like and subscribe and all that, click the notifications to find out when the next issue of this is coming out. Yeah, I'm just excited to be getting back to it. It's been a while. So yeah, thank you for watching. I shall see you very soon for this and other things. Bye bye for now.